Good morning, everybody. Here's Ed's read on the market. Just want to do a really quick video on, I believe this is a reversal zone. I don't think it's going to go back up any further. And let me go through the reasons I think that. I know this chart's a little bit cluttered, but bear with me, okay? I got a lot of stuff that I look at. So once I look at this, then I hide everything and just look at the relevant stuff. But I'm doing this analysis for you guys. Okay, number one, we're looking at we had this huge buy. Let me go back over here. Okay, we had this at Globex. This was just a continuation. It was a pullback. You can see where VPOC shifted down. There's value area low, just support for the long move, and you see the arrow there, which that would have gotten you into the long move. You would have taken one contract off up here as it came back out, came back down, bounced off of this is value area high, came down, pinned, bounced off of value area high, and then headed back up. Okay, and just you were just holding this long, basically, unless you've gotten in with a bunch of contracts and just kind of peeling them off one by one as you went up. Okay, now if you'll notice, everything's sharply heading up. Value area high is heading up. You have your you're having moving averages, or your moving average. It's a whole moving average, almost straight up. There, see the little green dots right there? That's short-term VWAP. Short-term VWAP is heading up. We got everything on this chart basically says up until we hit here. Now, see the POC? POC is came down here. It's POC stopped at value area high, pushed back down to another. I think this was a 2 or 3 day VPOC right here. Pushed down and waffled around. And they decided then it was just profit taking, because the reason why they're profit taking, of course, is because that was yesterday's high right there. So everybody's taking, they're taking contracts off at yesterday's high. Very typical of the market. Go push back up. Now you see where this all of a sudden the short-term resistance band right here, all of a sudden it flattens out, okay, and it separates from the daily resistance band right there. Okay, that tells me that this momentum move is starting to slow down. Okay, so now we have the POC shift, the volume point of control shift up here. Now it shifted up here. It currently is right here at 58.23. So what's happening? We're starting to see pins. We're starting red candles with pins, red candle with pin. See where it hits hits at or right above the short-term resistance band. See those pins? Okay. So as you saw these pins, you got a reversal move down here. You hit the support band, bounced off, came back up here into the resistance band, bounced off, came back down to support the support band, the short-term support up here. All right. Now you see where the 2 day value high is flattened out. We have a retest. You can see that pin right there on that on that red candle. The pin, it flattened out. Here's the retest. We're going down. This is basically people, they're trying to push it up to see if they can get some more sellers up here. The market goes up to get sellers and down to get buyers. I mean, that's just the institutions. So now we're at very high. We're up into this area, up into this zone area right here. You could take right here. You could take that long. Sure. Yeah, you can take that long back up into this area. 57, 56, 57, right up in here. There's your 2 day very area high. If it pierces that, then we're going back up, but of course that's too late to get into this move. So you'd be basically hitting you'd be having your targets up in this area for that long, and then watch to see what happens if it pierces that 2 day very area high and this flattened out short-term resistance area here. Okay, the POC is still below price action right here. The short-term VWAP is starting to turn green, starting to turn up right here. So it's just telling me to use a little bit of caution here. It could pop up, but judging by historical precedents, it usually will just go back down. Now, we're coming up on news. It is 8:26. We've got some final GDP, unemployment, core durable goods, blah, blah, blah here. 8:30. So we got some news here. So we're looking at that. We're looking at the news. Probably the last push up right before the news until they dump it. Okay. So let's see what happens. Okay. I just wanted to give you guys a quick morning brief on what's going on. By the way, this is my this is the Algo 43 chart. I guess I should have put that on here on the video. But anyway, that's it. Just wanted to let you guys know this is my read on the markets. See y'all.